Hi everyone, let's make this hair growth oil. This oil is what I use on my hair while doing my pre-poo and whenever I want to massage my hair. So we'll be using 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seed and 2 tablespoons of rosemary dry leaf, also hibiscus flower. I'll be blending this dry ingredient, then set it aside. Then take the amount of aloe vera that I'll be needing. After cutting it out, I will use my knife to cut it into tiny pieces. The reason why I am doing this is to get out the aloe vera gel without blending it. Once I am done cutting it, once I get the desired result that I want, I will pour it in this jar and set it aside. Cut the ginger, cut it into tiny pieces. Once I am done with that one as well, I will pour it inside the jar. Lest I forget, dry powdered ginger is the best to use while making this hair growth oil because the water content in it has gone, and we are not adding preservative, so we need a dry ingredient we need to minimize the water content that will go into the oil. Right here, I will pour in the oil that I'll be using to infuse the herbs into it. The oil that I'm using is olive oil, almond oil, and castor oil. Once I am done with the oil part, I will then add the whole dry ingredient that I blended in the beginning of this video. I will add them up and use the spoon to mix them together. I will turn it and make sure that the whole ingredient is properly combined together. So once I'm done with it, I will use the cover to seal it up, to cover it so tight, then put it in hot water. I am using double boiler method to infuse it. As you can see, I changed the bottle, the cup, because the other one did not give me the space to turn it, so I have to use my measuring cup to infuse it. Though this is the cup that I normally use, but I don't know, I choose to try out the other, but at the end I feel disappointed. So this is it. So I infuse it for about 45 minutes, but what I normally do is to turn it within the space of 10 minutes. I will come by to mix it, to turn it, so that the whole thing will infuse well. So that is it. As it is, the oil is ready for use. You can extract it using your cheesecloth to extract the oil to separate it from the residue, but I leave mine for about 4 days, for about 4 days before extracting it, before separating the oil from the residue. So that is why, for best result, I will suggest you allow yours to stay for about 3 to 4 days so that it will infuse properly. After separating the oil from the residue, I will now transfer it in my applicator bottle for use. So that is it. If you have watched up to this moment, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you, and please do well by subscribing if you have not subscribed, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you have any platform to share it, you can do so as well. Thank you and God bless. See you guys in my next one. Bye.